Good morning, myself Shalini Garg, lecturer electronics, Government Polytechnic College, Jodhpur. This is 7th lecture on instruction set of 8085 microprocessor subject EL EF207. आज हम DAD और DAA instruction discuss करेंगे. The 8085 arithmetic instructions. The arithmetic group of 8085 includes following instructions: 8-bit addition जिसको एंड 8-bit एडिशन विद कैरी जिसको कि हम लेक्चर 2 में कवर कर चुके हैं, 8-bit सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड 8-bit सब्ट्रैक्शन विद बोरो जिसको हम लेक्चर 3 में कवर कर चुके हैं, 8-bit एंड 16-bit इंक्रीमेंट, 8-bit एंड 16-bit डिक्रीमेंट जिसको हम लेक्चर 6 में कवर कर चुके हैं. ओनली 2 more instruction DAD RP and DAA are left and we will discuss these 2 instructions today. The first instruction is DAD RP, that means add content of register pair to content of HL and result is stored in HL, where register pair can be B, D, H or SP. B stands for BC, D stands for DE and H stands for HL register pair. In the instruction, we have to mention only higher order register. For example, if we have to add content of BC and HL, we will write DAD B. B will automatically stand for BC register pair. It is a 1-byte instruction which requires 3 machine cycle, 1 opcode fetch and 2 bus idle cycle. The operand is in register pair, so the addressing mode is register addressing mode. After addition, only carry flag is modified, all other flag remain unchanged. एडिशन का प्रोसेस सेम रहेगा जो 8-bit एडिशन में है. 16-bit डेटा को पहले बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना है एंड देन वी हैव टू ऐड इन बाइनरी. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर HL इक्वल टू 2A 4F एंड BC इक्वल टू 967A, then HL will be equal to HL plus BC, that is 2A 4F plus 967A. Corresponding to 2A 4F बाइनरी में हम इसको क्या लिखेंगे? 2 corresponds to 0010, A corresponds to 1010, 4 corresponds to 0100, F corresponds to 4 ones. Similarly, B में है 967A. 9 means 1001, 6 means 0110, 7 means 0111 and A means 1010. Now add these two numbers. 1 plus 1 is 1 with no carry. 1 plus 0 is 1 with 0 carry. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 3 1 are equivalent to 1 with carry 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 3 1 are equivalent to 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 0 is equivalent to 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 0 is equivalent to 1 and 0 plus 1 is equivalent to 1. No final carry is generated from D15 bit. Convert the result back to hexadecimal. 1100 corresponds to C. Next 4 bits are 4 zeros, so it corresponds to 0. Next 4 bits are 1100, it corresponds to C. And last 4 bits are 1001, which corresponds to 9. So the value of HL is C0, C9. In the flag register, only carry flag is modified. The initial value of carry flag was 1, but now since no carry is generated, final carry is 0, so carry flag is 0. All other flag remain same. Although D15, the MSB of the result is 1, sign flag should be 1, but since All other flags are not modified, so value of S, Z, auxiliary carry and parity flag remain unchanged. The next instruction is DAA, that is decimal adjust accumulator. After addition, the result is in hexadecimal and it is stored in accumulator. DAA instruction converts the hexadecimal result to decimal. It works only after add, ADI, ACI and ADC instruction. It is a 1-byte instruction which requires one machine cycle of 4 T states. There is no operand, so the addressing mode is implicit. The conversion process is if the lower nibble is between A to F or auxiliary carry flag is 1. 6 is added to the lower nibble. Similarly, in case of upper nibble, if the result is between A to F or carry flag is 1, 6 is added to the upper nibble. For DAA to work, the input data should be in decimal. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर हम अज्यूम करें हमें दो डेसिमल नंबर 47 एंड 69 ऐड करने हैं, जिसमें हमने 47 को ए में स्टोर किया है एंड 69 को बी में स्टोर किया है एंड वी हैव गिवन द इंस्ट्रक्शन ऐड बी. इससे क्या होगा, 47 और 69 आपस में ऐड होंगे. जब 47 और 69 आपस में हम ऐड करेंगे, एडिशन का प्रोसेस सेम रहेगा. कन्वर्ट हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर टू इक्विवेलेंट बाइनरी एंड देन ऐड. 1 + 1 is equivalent to 0 with carry 1. 1 + 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 + 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 + 0 + 1 is equivalent to 0 with carry 1. 1 + 2 0 is equivalent to 1. 0 + 1 is equivalent to 1. 1 + 1 is 0 and 1 + 0 + 0 is equivalent to 1. Now we can see the result of lower nibble is 0 0 0, which is equal to 0. So the result is not between A to F, but a carry is generated from D3 to D4. That means auxiliary carry flag is 1. So we have to add 6 to the lower nibble. The lower nibble is 0 0 0 and you have to add 6 to this lower nibble. Similarly, for the upper nibble, the result is 1 0 1 1, which is B. So the result is between A to F. You have to add again 6 to the upper nibble. Upper nibble is 1 0 1 1. You add 6 to it. Now 0 + 0 is 0. 0 + 1 is 1. 0 + 1 is 1. 0 + 0 is 0. Again 1 + 0 is 1. 1 + 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 + 0 + 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 + 1 is 0 with carry 1. Convert the result back to hexadecimal value. 0 0 1 0001 corresponds to 1 and 0 1 1 0 corresponds to 6 with carry flag 1. So the complete answer is 116, out of which 16 is stored in accumulator and 1 is stored in carry flag. When we add A 47 and 69 in decimal, the value is 116. Now this is the assignment for the student. In question number 1, for each of the following instruction, you have to find the value of the corresponding register and flag register, assuming initial value of A is equal to 0 0, B is equal to 0 0 and flag register is equal to 0 0. And also you have to specify the addressing mode for each of the following instruction. In question number 2, you have to write an instruction which adds two double words. Double word for 8085 means 16-bit because a word for 8085 is a 8-bit data, as 8085 is a 8-bit microprocessor. So this is all about arithmetic group of instructions. On next turn, we will discuss next set of instructions. Thank you.